Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what are the best slim and lightweight AirPods Pro 3 cases. So there are different cases out there. Some of them are a bit thicker or even rugged, and some of them are actually slim and lightweight, and this video is about the second ones. By the way, all the cases will be linked in the description down below, so feel free to check them out. Now, let's start off with a very simple one. This is the case, just a typical rubber case in color black with an enclosure for the charging port, which is really great. Also, it has this hinge here, and it has a hole for the carabiner, which is included. So that's also really cool that we have it. And also another thing is that it comes with a cleaner tool included. So this is the cleaner tool, and it has this like metal part, this brush here, and on the other side it has a brush like this, which is also good, and you can just clean your AirPods that way, so that is cool. Now let's move on to another case. This one is not gonna be that lightweight. I think it's still lightweight, but it's just not that lightweight in terms of like an actual weight. And this is the one. If you like some fun prints, then maybe you like this case. It looks like this. It's just like TPU here. You can see it is sort of squishy, but not that squishy as the previous one. I'm not sure whether it comes with a cleaner. It does not, but it just is the case with a carabiner included. Now another one that I have is just a simple red one, pretty similar to the black one, but a bit thicker here. Also has the port enclosure and comes with a carabiner as well as a hand strap like this that you can actually go through this hole, and it will have this attachment here, so you can attach it like that. It is, I think, really cool. If you like something slim but not necessarily minimal, then maybe you'll like this one. By the way, the previous one, the red one, comes with a cleaner tool, the same as the black one, and this red one also comes with the same cleaning tool and a carabiner, like this. And it's just fun, you know, console controller. And now I think there's gonna be a few more. There's also another one like this. Comes with, it's blue transparent, comes with a carabiner right here in circular shape and with a cleaner tool. Then the last, or almost the last one, is going to be this one. Which also is clear, but now not blue, just typical clear, with a carabiner included, and I think it also comes with a cleaner tool. Yes, it does. And the last one also comes with a cleaner tool. It's very similar to the first one, also collects dust, unfortunately. I actually don't know whether they are any different. Just a little bit. There's like this hole here for the light, and a little bit different on the bottom, and a little thicker. This one, the last one that I'm showing you, is a little thicker than the first one, so that is also great. And that's basically it about the cases. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.